We are pleased to show you the 2018 Flex. Flex isn't just exciting to look at, it's exciting to drive. It hunkers down, puts a limit on lean, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer, passenger vanity mirror. Your new ride is just a phone call away.